If you need a car wash, here's Valerie's car wash. She's fast. And she's the best. She's very expensive though. So don't think just because she's little. Don't think just because she's little, she's not expensive. It's Valerie's car wash. If you need a car wash, give Valerie a call. Wow, look at her go. Okay, you almost done? Okay. How long you been doing car washes for? 10 years? 20 years?
For 1 year.
Oh, for 1 year, okay.
Yeah, this is my first day when I started.
Oh, 1 year ago, but this is your first day when you started?
Yeah, but some other days I just started too. But that was cleaning my other car.
Oh, you were cleaning other cars. Oh, the blue car. Alright guys, so this is Valerie's car wash. Need a car wash. Here she is. Okay. Oh. So you like doing car washes? Okay. How much do you charge? $3? Okay. That's not bad. That's reasonable. Okay guys, you need a car wash, $3. That's all it takes. At Valerie's car wash. You gotta contact this number for the car wash.
These guys, do you see this really black truck? If you do, tell me. And then it's black and it's really dirty. Look.
Oh wow. Okay. All right. Say bye.